How to export private key on Phantom Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can export private key on Phantom Wallet. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open your Phantom Wallet application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top, you'll be able to see your account icon. Tap on the account icon and here select the account to which you would like to export your private key. Once you select it, tap on the pencil icon at the right side of it and this will take you to edit account page. In this page, here you'll be able to locate the Show Private Key option. Tap on the Show Private Key option and inside it, here you will be able to see this information. It says that your private key is the only way to recover your account. So do not let anyone to see your private key or never share your private key with anyone because it grants full access to your wallet. Here you will need to tap on this I will not share my private key with anyone including Phantom and then tap on this continue button below. Now you will need to select the specific account for which you would like to export the private key. Here I am selecting Ethereum. You can select based on your preference. Once doing that, a pop-up will appear. Here you will need to tap on this yes option and then your private key will be displayed. You can now copy it to your clipboard. Simply tap on this copy to clipboard option and once it is copied, ensure that you store this key securely and do not share with anyone. If someone has your private key, they will have full control over your wallet. So make sure to keep it confidential and do not share with others. Soon after doing that, tap on the done button and you'll be back to your home page. So this is how you can export your private key from Phantom Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.